Hey guys, I'm Sebastian. So today I'm going to do a tutorial for guys who want to wear makeup but don't want to look like they have anything on. So I get constantly, people are surprised that I have so much makeup on, but it doesn't look like I have anything on. So I'm going to start today with my favorite primer. So the Guerlian Light Diffusing Perfecting Primer, Meteorites. I love this because it just gives me that really nice glow, hydrates, and gives me that really nice dewy look. Guerlian is one of my favorite brands. It's just very luxurious, good quality, and you really get what you pay for. Next, I always use my Amore Pacific CC Compact. This is the full coverage. So what I like about this is, the CC is anti-aging, so it's going to help firm, lift, and it's just going to give you that gorgeous, perfect complexion. I really like to use my beauty blender, so I actually put it under the faucet, I get it wet, and I've noticed that that really helps with the consistency, so it's not so heavy, but it still allows you to build and get that coverage that you want. I really like to work it into the skin. Sorry, my skin is going through something right now. I have all these little breakouts and it's really upsetting. So yeah, you just work it right into the skin. Desired look that you like. Next, I go in with my concealer. So I like to do the Bobbie Brown. So it really helps just brighten my under eye, conceal my darkness, and just really give me that nice awake look. So just put a little bit. I really like to warm it up with my finger. I really work it into the skin because again, we're going for that really natural, no makeup look. Really just work right on in, bring it up onto the lid. My lids have a lot of pigment and color to it, so this really helps just neutralize it to give it that nice beige look. Okay, just like that. So now, what I like to do is I like to go in with some bronzer. So just a very light bronzer again. We're going to be using Amore Pacific. This is their new bronzer. It comes in one shade, just gives you that really nice sun-kissed glow, very natural. We're going to go in with Gilato Swirl from Laura Geller. This is just a really beautiful natural highlight that's just going to give you that nice perfect glow. And then of course we go in with our brows. Brows are important, so we want to brush. I really like to use the NARS pencil. Today we're just going to brush the brows. And it just gives that nice look. And then of course, a nice brown mascara. So we're going to go with Christian Dior. And you just do a small amount of Dior show. So that way you get the nice little perky lashes, but it looks like you have the makeup on. And then last but not least, we finish with our Amore spray. So that's it. And you're all good to go. So I hope you really enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram at Sebastian_KingNYC.